everybody, and happy Monday. Welcome to week 3 of NTI Life. This week, the scale that I would like you to practice is a 2-octave C major scale. This is on page 18, number 106 in your book. And as always, if you're not comfortable with the 2-octave scale, practice the 1-octave scale. This is the one with no sharps, no flats in it. So F and C naturals are the ones that I would like you to especially think of. To add into your scale practice is practicing scales in thirds, because obviously not all music is just scales. A lot of times the notes skip around. So I'm going to start having you do thirds in addition to the scale exercises. So the C major thirds are on page 19, number 108. And anytime you use the word thirds, it just means that you're skipping a letter name. For example, in this exercise, you're going to go C, E, D, F, and you're always skipping that one note in between those letter names. So here is number 108 that I would also like you to practice this week. Tech check for this week is number 97. Check your key signature. You are in C major. There are no sharps, no flats. For the cello part, you are shifting to 4th position. That's where you put that first finger on that gold tape. If you don't have a gold tape, an easy way to find 4th position on the cello is it's right where the neck kind of meets the body of the cello, and your thumb goes kind of right in the crook of the neck there. to practice just the shift by itself first. So for cello, this would be going from that G in measure 3 to the A in 4th position. 4 bows each first, then 3, then 2, then 1. As you're shifting, really make sure you're releasing the weight of your left hand away from the string, even though you're maintaining contact, just so it's easier to slide. I also really try to think about stopping my bow while I'm shifting so that it's not super slurpy. If you just pause your bow for a little bit, you don't get so much slurp in your shift. For violas, there is no shifting for number 97. It is all in 3rd position. In this position for this key signature, you're going to need to make sure that you have your 1 on your 3 tape, your 2 goes on your 4th finger tape, 3 is kind of stretchy, and your 4 touches. And it's the exact same finger pattern when you move over to the D string for G, A, B, and C natural. So that is Bornoff pattern number 3, if that is helpful information to you. So violas, here is your version of number 97. For violins, number 97 is in 2nd position, but this time you're starting on the A string. So it's very similar to the one that you had last week, except for instead of being in 2nd position on the E string, you are in 2nd position on the A string. Your 1st finger goes where your C natural low 2 would be. Your 2 finger goes on your 3 tape. Your 3rd finger goes on your 4th tape. And your pinky should touch your 3rd finger. So again, this is Bornoff pattern number 3, and you are playing on the A and the E string with that same pattern. That's all I had for today. Thank you very much, and your lessons.